ReactJS course styling. There is so many ways to style your component. The ReactJS, we just review two things. First thing is style thing, and second thing is module.css. Go back to the app.js. After that, header.css, header class, add a background blue, include, just import header. You can see here. And second thing is css.module. Just you need to convert .css with module.css. We need to change this styling like this. Just add here $sign style dot your style name, which I mentioned in a header class. Let's change the color and see the result here. Color updated. Let's see the difference between these two type of styles. Both files include. Let's change the color and see the difference. I just changed color pink and green. We can see here this class not accessible outside the component, and .css header style accessible outside of that component. Even I include it inside this component. Module.css each time create class with some unique name. You can see on my screen, and student.cs not create any unique name. That's why it's accessible inside the scope of component, and this class accessible outside the component. I hope you like this video.